Hi guys, welcome back to Her Life in Bangalore. I started my day off again by making coffee, and then I saw to the right. Oh my god, there were mangoes which looked so good. My cousin sent them to make pickles. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Then I started working. I didn't realize when time went by. Then went to the gym, then went to the small coffee shop, met my friends, spoke over coffee, which is a favorite thing to do. Then went to this bhaji shop which makes such good aloo bondas. Then came home, had uttapam, and then can you see the thunders, guys? Oh my god.